I just found this slide outfit video effect on Instagram. Here's how to do it with your phone. Let's go. Put your phone on a tripod and film yourself walking. Do the exact same thing in several different outfits. Now open these clips in the Capcut app. In the first clip, scroll to right where you set your foot, hit split right here and delete the back part. Scroll to the same point in the second clip and hit split, deleting the front part. It now looks like this. For the second clip, hit speed, normal, and pull it all the way down to 0.1. Make it smoother and you have a good slow-mo. To make the outfit fly in from the side, hit full screen and take a screenshot. Open that in the photo room app. It will remove the background. Now you can select blur, hit motion, and boost that up. Back in Capcut, hit overlay, add overlay, and now choose this image that we have just created. Resize it so it fits the beginning of the clip and create a keyframe right here. Then scroll towards the beginning and drag the image out to the left. It will now fly in from the left. Do that with all the other outfits, export the video, and that's it.